When it comes to improving your home, few upgrades make as significant an impact as new window installation. Not only do modern windows enhance energy efficiency and comfort, but they also elevate the appearance and value of your home. However, to enjoy these benefits fully, one crucial factor often determines the outcome: local expertise. For homeowners in Weston, choosing local window professionals isn't just about convenience. It's about partnering with experts who understand your area's architecture, climate, and unique community needs. Let's explore why local experience makes all the difference in successful window installation projects. Understanding Weston's architecture and home styles. Weston is known for its blend of historic New England charm and modern suburban elegance. Many homes in the area feature distinctive architectural details, from classic colonial structures to sleek contemporary designs. Installing new windows in these residences requires more than just technical skill. It demands an understanding of the town's aesthetic character. Local window installation experts have years of hands-on experience working with Weston homes. They know how to match the right window designs, materials, and finishes to complement your property's style. Whether it's preserving the symmetry of a traditional facade or accentuating the clean lines of a newer build, local professionals can help you achieve a cohesive and timeless look. By aligning your installation with the architectural spirit of the community, you're not just upgrading your home, you're contributing to Weston's enduring beauty and charm. Expertise in Weston's climate conditions. Weston experiences a variety of weather patterns throughout the year, from humid summers to cold, snowy winters. These fluctuations make energy efficiency and insulation essential considerations for any home improvement project. Local window installers understand these regional challenges. They can recommend energy-efficient glass options, insulated frames, and weatherproof ceiling techniques specifically designed to handle Weston's seasonal conditions. This expertise ensures your new windows help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering utility costs. Local installers also know which materials resist moisture, warping, and drafts, helping you avoid problems that can arise from improper product selection or generic installation methods. Compliance with local building codes and permits. Every town has its own building regulations, codes, and permit requirements, and Weston is no exception. Working with a local installation company means you'll have professionals who are already familiar with these rules. They can handle all necessary paperwork, inspections, and code compliance seamlessly, ensuring your project runs smoothly from start to finish. This saves you time, prevents potential fines, and guarantees that your installation meets the town's strict safety and energy standards. By hiring local experts, you gain peace of mind knowing your project is being completed legally and professionally, with no unexpected surprises. Personalized service and fast response times. Another advantage of choosing local professionals is their personalized service. Unlike large national chains, local installers rely on their reputation within the community. They prioritize customer satisfaction, knowing that every successful installation strengthens their relationship with local homeowners. In addition, proximity means faster response times. If you ever need maintenance, adjustments, or warranty support, a local company can quickly provide on-site service. This level of reliability and care makes all the difference when protecting your investment and maintaining your home's comfort. Supporting the local economy and community. Working with Weston-based window experts doesn't just benefit your home, it also strengthens the local economy. By choosing a nearby business, you're supporting jobs, craftsmanship, and companies that give back to the community. Local installers also understand what matters most to Weston residents: sustainability, longevity, and aesthetics that enhance property value. Their recommendations are rooted in real-world experience with local homes and customers, not one-size-fits-all corporate guidelines. Final thoughts for Weston homeowners: window installation is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. But achieving the best results requires working with professionals who know the area inside and out. Local window experts bring the perfect combination of technical skill, community understanding, and personalized service to every project. From selecting the right materials to ensuring energy performance and code compliance, their experience ensures your home stays beautiful, efficient, and well protected through every season. When it's time to upgrade your windows, trust the professionals who call Weston home, because local expertise isn't just an advantage, it's the key to lasting quality and satisfaction.